Introducing Gold Secured Currency, better known as GSX, the first of a new genre of currencies called growth coins. A growth coin combines all of the best elements of a stable coin, an investment coin, and a traditional cryptocurrency into one secured currency. The benefits: 1. It's backed. GSX is trust-backed by land rights and gold. The starting value has been set with the assets backing GSX, now with many large-scale mines and refineries being added. These include a number of future alluvial and hard rock gold mines, copper mines, a tantalum mine, a nickel mine, and a lithium mine. 2. Trust ownership. GSX holders are the trust beneficiaries of all land rights. What this means is that even if something was to happen to Apollo FinTech, the assets would be sold and the proceeds would go directly to the holders of GSX. 3. Growth. There will be a continual increase in the amount of mineral-rich land and gold backing of GSX. 50% of the metals mined after expenses and expansion will back GSX, so the asset value will grow constantly. The first-year minimum asset goal is $7 billion, making the individual asset value 23 cents to the US dollar per GSX. Second year is $20 billion in assets, making the asset value 66 cents per US dollar per GSX. And the third year is $30 billion in assets, making the asset value $1 per GSX. This trend should continue along a similar pace. 4. Audited. GSX gold and metal reserves will be continuously audited by some of the most respected auditing firms such as BVA. 5. Dividends. GSX holders are entitled to yearly dividends of 50% of all gold and metals mined and refined after expenses and expansion. 6. Coin burn. 50% of the $10 billion offered that is not sold in CDE will be burned. The value will move to the surviving GSX. 7. Redeemable. GSX will be redeemable for its gold value, so it will help to maintain a more constant price. 8. Quantum resistance. GSX will be one of the first quantum-resistant stable coins with the integration of the quantum steel cryptography algorithm. 9. Participation. GSX is more than an investment. It's an experience. Holders will be able to visit and stay at the main mine at the GSX Visitor Center. They will be able to participate in elements of mining, such as testing out equipment, watching explosives, prospecting with the pros, testing, and many more experiences that offer the true gold rush thrill. Furthermore, the team is planning to put up 24/7 live feed cameras, allowing holders the ability to take part in the action from the comfort of their home. Gold secured currency is a new kind of investment. An investment that allows its holders the ability to watch their net worth expand, to collect profits, and even participate. Take part in the world's newest and most innovative financial tool and take part in history.
First, we need to navigate to gsxcde.com, where you will find the home page of this coin distribution event. Next, we are going to log in. Click the Login button at the top right of the website. Your browser may go through a security check. You also may be required to complete a CAPTCHA to prove you are not a bot. To do this, click the I am human box to proceed. Next, follow the instruction and click all corresponding images required. In my case, it is asking to click images containing trains. So let's select these. Click the next button and proceed to follow the instruction again. When this is complete, click the next button to finish the CAPTCHA. Now you're ready to log in. Enter your email address, followed by your password. If you are new to this website, you will need to create an account. Click the Sign Up Here button. If not, you are welcome to skip ahead 30 seconds. We are now going to enter the registry details. Enter your name, followed by your email address. Next, a password to use for this site. Enter the password again to ensure you have this correct. Read and agree to the terms and conditions and also the privacy policy, then check the tick box to agree. Now select Create Account. You will be sent an email to confirm your email address. Before continuing, find this and click the Confirm Email Address button to be directed to confirm this address. Now you are ready to log in. Enter your credentials and press Login. Now that we are on your main dashboard, this is where you will find your balance and also your referral link. Make sure you share this to the offered commission of any purchases made using your referral. Anyone using your link also gets a bonus. On to buying your coins. Click into the Buy Coins area. Here is where you will find the coin sales information, price per coin, exchange rate, and current bonus being offered. At the time of this video, you can see that there is a 34% bonus of coins that will be added to each purchase. This percentage reduces daily. Now we need to choose a way to pay for your GSX purchase. You can select from fiat currency like US dollar, or you can choose to pay using a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. We are going to select USD for this first exercise. Next, we're going to scroll down and choose the amount of GSX you wish to purchase. This will give you your conversion values. In this example, we're going to use 1000 GSX, which is equal to 46 US dollars at the current rate. For the sale bonus, I will acquire an extra 34%, which is 340 coins, but I am not eligible to get the added bonus for purchasing a high amount. This amount is explained in the highlighted area above. Next, click the Buy Now button. Now we need to select a payment method. Currently there is two options, bank transfer or paying using a card with Stripe. Let's select bank transfer and agree to the coin purchase agreement and sale terms. Ensure you read through this prior to proceeding. Now click Buy Coin Now. You will be presented with the bank details required to make a bank transfer as required. When this is complete, click the View Transaction. Will take you back to the transaction area of your console. At any stage prior to the payment clearing, you can click the Pay button on your transaction to bring up the details again if required. When your funds clear, your status will show a tick on the left-hand side of the transaction line, and your balance will reflect your purchase. If you were to choose to pay via card using the Stripe service, you will be prompted to enter your card details, card number, expiry, and CVC. Once you have entered these details, you have the option of remembering these details for this website. When you are ready, click the Pay button. This will take a few seconds to process. You should see the button turn green before taking you back to your dashboard. Navigate back to your transactions where you will see the confirmation of this payment. Next, we will make a purchase using crypto. Let's select Bitcoin. After scrolling down, enter the required coins again. This will automatically calculate the amount of Bitcoin this will cost, your bonus coins, and the total GSX as previously. Next, hit the Buy Now button. You will be taken to the process screen. Choose the coin payment option. Read and agree to both purchase agreement and coin sale terms, and click the Buy Now. You will be presented a deposit address for sending the required Bitcoin. Please note that the amount required must not have the fees taken from the balance, and must be the exact amount to avoid the system from not auto-processing the transaction. When sending from wallet or exchange, make sure you add the fee to the amount if the exchange or wallet removes the fees from the sent amount. You can easily copy the address to the clipboard using the button to the right of the address. When complete, click the View Transaction to be taken back to the transaction screen. If you need to bring up the details again, you can do so by clicking the Pay button. Processing of crypto payments through coin payments can take some time, so don't panic if you see the block confirmations, but your transaction on your console does not reflect this yet. It may take an hour or so after the required blockchain confirmations before the system picks up on this, but it will arrive. When the payment is confirmed, your transaction will show the green tick, and your balance will reflect this purchase. Lastly, make sure you have entered a valid Apollo wallet address so the GSX team can distribute your coins accordingly. To do this, click the Add button. Enter the wallet address into the field as required. If you do not have an Apollo wallet address, you will need to create one. Apollo has its own blockchain, so do not enter your ERC20 address here. A link is given to where you can create an address, or you can find it in the link in the description of this YouTube video. When you have entered the entire address, click Add Wallet. Well done! If you need to edit this address, simply click the Edit button and submit the new address. An admin will need to confirm this in the background. This concludes our tutorial of purchasing GSX. Until next time, Apollo University out.